So guys, you have to invest in the things that's gonna make your channel better. Because first time I used to have to catch up my phone. What's up guys, and welcome to another video. It's your girl. Today we're gonna talk about my YouTube journey. Alright guys, so I started YouTube in 2020 when COVID hit and when I was out of a job, which actually was something that saved me guys, because I felt like I was gonna go insane. So I said, you know what, why don't I try this thing? At that time guys, I had a phone, an LG phone, and the good thing about LG that it has amazing video quality, but still had a bit of lighting issues guys. Lighting was just so poor. So I started YouTube in 2020 just as a little hobby with hopes, not gonna hide it, with hopes of getting some money. But guys, it was a tough road, and it's still a tough road. Alright, so back then guys, I used to fill with my little LG phone, which started to overheat and it had battery problems. That time guys, I wasn't working, so it was so easy to do like 4 videos in a day. And guys, at that time I have 2 channels, so it is so difficult for me. So I used to do 4 videos. I had an editor I worked with as well. Then I decided to buy a laptop. 2020 guys, it has been a real struggle. At that time I was not working, so I had time to really put into YouTube. But what I would do is record all my videos one day, and I will do 4 videos per day, and then I edited them another day guys. It was so hard because I didn't have any internet. That time I had to send my videos to my friend to have them uploaded guys, and bam, no views. No views or 1 views. Sometimes I had to watch them myself guys. It was just so stressful when you put in all of that hard work and then 1 view or no view. It was so depressing guys. I kept doing it anyway, but I also did some research into why. So guys, it's gonna be a rough road. If you're just starting out YouTube, don't expect it to be easy. Your growth depends on the niche that you're in and the amount of research that you do. And even when you do research, there's something called the algorithm that sometimes is just looking for. I don't really know how it works, but I'm not sure what it's looking for, but it's gonna bust your ass sometimes. So you have to do research, know when to upload, how to. I just typed in the description, so guys, it was a rough road because I just put up videos like that. No proper description. I was just pushing up in hopes of getting it, but it doesn't work like that. So it's gonna be a tough road. If you're a new YouTuber, expect that you're gonna put up some videos that won't show anything guys. Struggles for me as a YouTuber, where filming was concerned guys, I only had a little LG phone to film with. It had great quality. I was in my little board house guys, and the lighting was off. I would have a ring light now, but I didn't have a ring light back then. So this is where my YouTube channel started in 2020. Can't remember the exact month. This is where it all started, in my little board house on this little chair with no ring light or anything, and I had to use natural light to do my videos. So the lighting was awful. That time though, I had to work with natural light guys, and sometimes the sun will just keep going in and coming out, so it just mess up your whole video. If you look back, your first video is not gonna be the best video guys. You're gonna look back at it and laugh at yourself. But one thing, you're gonna improve. So I had filming issues. Sometimes guys, editing is a bitch. Expect that editing will be videos are easier to edit than others. Like I have 2 channels. My travel vlogs are easier to edit than maybe a video like this where I'm here. So the growth was slow, editing was a bit lighting, had some noisy neighbors as well, and if rain is falling, I had to cut the video right there. If my yard got crowded, I had to end the video right there, guys. It was just so stressful. What I've learned that you really have to test and learn. You have to use your analytics. Doing YouTube has made me also know myself better, facial expressions, what to improve on, and it has just made me better and better. It's still a learning process. Every day you learn something new. No, it's hard, guys, because now I have a job and I have 2 channels. And when I get my day off, I don't normally get back to back day off all the time. So it's like I have to take a day to gather the content, take another day to edit it, and still find time to post. I'm still struggling where views are concerned because guys, have to work so hard, edit so hard, and everything you put up a channel and don't see the view. It is one of the worst feelings ever. Sometimes I feel depressed, but I've started to use TubeBuddy, and I think I like how it shows me the views. I've done my research as well, guys. I'm gonna have to research how to write descriptions, how to do all of that else. I think I saw my first growth where shorts were concerned, because when I started to use shorts, it brought me many subscribers. I hit 200 subscribers, guys, but to see the growth is amazing. When I go in TubeBuddy and you see the views rolling and start to turn yellow, it's an exciting feeling, guys. But the hardest thing for me right now is making content and editing with a 9 to 5 with 2 channels, guys. It is not easy. Okay, guys, so I have 2 YouTube channels and one of them reached 100 subscribers, and it is just an amazing feeling, guys, because YouTube's gonna send you a message. It's gonna say you just reached your 100 subscriber. So guys, YouTube has been a struggle. I've had some rough days, but it feels so good to reach 100 subscribers, and it is so encouraging as well when YouTube sends you an email with the congratulations to say, hey, you've reached 100 subscribers. It is such a great feeling, guys. Don't give up. You're gonna remember when you used to have a small amount of subscribers, but by working hard and everything, you're gonna reach the end goal, which is 1,000 subscribers, guys. Trust and believe it's gonna happen. And also the slow growth. Also, each time I upload, trying to figure out the perfect thumbnail, the description to match, and everything so that you'll get views. So my goal right now is just to get monetized, just reach 1,000 subscribers. And just looking at the watch time, it's a bit depressing, but you just have to just do your research, guys. But guys, YouTube is a rough road, but guess what? You're gonna learn, you're gonna improve, you're gonna become your best self. I'm still learning. I'm so grateful. It's like you have to find something that works to grow your channel. So whatever it is, you gotta apply it, and so you can get the views. Okay, so that's just me on my YouTube journey, because it has been rough. It is when you just race to check the analytics, just to check back on the video and nothing. So it's hard. Right now it is around almost 1 o'clock. Haven't had lunches yet because I've been filming content all morning, which I'm not going to edit today. So I've been up since around 7 o'clock. Okay, sometimes it can be so distracting, because this morning I was supposed to clean up and then the guys stored space. So my hope is to, right now I'm still working with a phone, still working with an LG phone, with a camera. Now I have a ring light. So guys, you have to invest in the things that's gonna make your channel better. Because first time I used to have to catch up my phone on Windows and all of that. Guys, I'm still trying to set up my YouTube era, but I hope to at least buy a decent camera so I can stop using my phone. Okay, don't give up. Some days are gonna be rough, but as one of my favorite content creators says, when the small ball effects kick in, you won't have to worry. Because I remember when I used to have to watch my videos myself, it can be disappointing when you don't get the views that you hope for, but guys, don't give up. Because one day, you look back on yourself and say, remember when I used to struggle? They say you must do what you love. I think that is my passion, because I have a travel vlog and I have a hair channel. I love to travel, guys, and I find myself, I will get up earlier than normal, just to start editing a video and all of that. So if you don't love what you do, you're not gonna like you doing YouTube. It's gonna take some time, guys, and some days you'll go faster than some, and it can be so overwhelming at times, guys, because you have work, you have another life, and you have time to edit and make content, and some people just put up things and they just explode and get 1 million views, and yours is just like at 2 views and 30 views. But guys, it's just a YouTube process. The lucky thing is that they move the monetization requirement up to 500 subscribers. So let's see how that will go. But guys, that's just a bit of my YouTube journey. I'm still on the way to being monetized, hopefully soon. Let's hope that I'll find the remedy. I will work on something that I've seen to be working, but the growth is steady. But the hardest thing for me right now is just filming content and editing with a 9 to 5 with 2 channels. So still researching, still growing, and it's hard when you're at this subscriber level. But guys, soon you'll be able to look back and say, I remember when I had a few subscribers. Drop in the comment section, let me know what your YouTube journey has been like. How many subscribers do you have? Are you monetized as yet? What are your struggles? Drop it in the comment section. Guys, you just have to just start. Everything's not going to be perfect, and it's just a process. I don't have a proper YouTube background, and I don't need my proper seating to sit on. Right now I'm sitting on a bucket, but if I didn't tell you, you would know, right? Right, guys? So I just have a purple natural light. Now I have a ring light. And guys, it can get a little bit crazy when I am editing. I'm gonna just show you what I mean. Things are all over the place. See, my extension cord is like a little hazard right now. Look at that. Look at this, guys. My ring light is here. All over the place. People, cup in a bathroom. Because this is what I use when I'm doing hair tutorials. As you can see, I haven't touched much since morning. This is because of my passion, my YouTube passion. Everything is just scattered down. And my day off, I don't think I should be working harder. As you can see, my bedroom, this is my bed. Look at that, guys, because I've been searching for something. I was doing a eyelash tutorial, and I was searching for something and I couldn't find it. So that is the outcome. Look at that. Anytime I'm doing YouTube videos, preparations and stuff, things are going to be all over the place, guys. That is just me. I know it's 1 o'clock and I haven't had lunch as yet because I'm working on content that's left for YouTuber. So you have to prioritize, and it can be so overwhelming at times, but just try to work by priority. Don't get carried away by the internet, and it can be very distracting. Just focus on what you want. I'm sure soon I will remind you of when I used to be at this subscriber level, which is less than 200, and Guys, my plates have not even been washed yet. This is a life of a content creator. I'm behind the scenes. Plates are still in the sink. House is an obstacle course. And all of that. I just transferred some videos that I backed up. And all of that. It's my day off. I only have one day off today. And I'm just in the middle of content. I had to rush outside to take up some clothes on the line. Life of a content creator is not easy, guys. So when I see them start to make their money, they really deserve it because they put in the hard work. So one of my, I'm still trying to figure out why one of my what the remedy is for one of my channels is just not growing, guys. And I'm really depressed. Believe you me, sometimes I want to give up. The YouTube is concerned, but I feel like it depends on your niche. Like me, like for me, I do travel vlogs and I do here tutorials, which are two things that I love, so it's not that easy to get away from. That's why one of the most important things that you have to do is pick something that you love. Pick something that you love to do, and it will come off easy. Alright, guys, so I'm now going to have lunch. Know what I'm gonna whip up, but no, I'm not editing any videos today. It's gonna be for another day. Let me know what your YouTube journey has been like. All you need to do is just start. Things are not gonna be perfect, but people like when you be yourself. So just be real. Work with what you have until you can get some money to work on your channel to improve it, guys.